Light is a form of electromagnetic radiation. It can act as both a wave and a particle. So if we look at the parts of the wave, these bottom sections are called the troughs, or the bottom of the wave. These top sections are called the crests, or the top of the wave. The line going right down the middle is called the origin. Wavelength is the distance between equivalent points on a wave, so it can be from crest to crest, or trough to trough, or 2 points on the origin, as long as they are the same. The symbol looks like that. Amplitude is the height of the wave from the origin to the crest or the trough. It doesn't matter, so it can be from the origin to the trough or the origin to the crest. Either way, they should be the same. The frequency is the number of waves that pass through a point in a given amount of time. The symbol looks like a V, and the SI unit for frequency is the hertz. So if you look at the top, you have a very slow, low frequency that has a few wavelengths. At the bottom, you have high frequency, and it has a lot more wavelengths going through at one time. All electromagnetic radiation travels at the speed of light in a vacuum. Speed of light equals 3.0 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. C is the symbol for speed of light, and C equals wavelength times frequency. So let's look at an example. If the frequency of a wave is 3.44 times 10 to the 9th hertz, what is the wavelength? Because you already have C as a constant. So C equals wavelength times frequency. You have your speed of light, you're given the frequency, so what's the wavelength? Take 3.8 times 10 to the 8th equals the wavelength times 3.44 times 10 to the 9th. You're going to end up dividing by the frequency on both sides to get the wavelength by itself. And you're going to end up with 0.0872 meters as the wavelength.
Created using Powtoon.